We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 12:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, shadow light creatures have been reported in some areas of the United States. It is confirmed that these creatures are back to take control of us and kill us all. At this time, all residents are asked to go to the nearest church or holy sanctuary. If no church is available in 10 minutes or less, remain in your home and go to the nearest bathroom or closet. The emergency alert system has been activated. The churches are not safe. I repeat, the churches are not safe. If you are at a church, leave now. There is no escape from these creatures. If one of these creatures gets into someone's body, you are being asked to kill that person. This is going to be the saddest moment in our state. Let's just hope this does not spread to the whole United States. The creature have now spread it all over the United States. We may not make it through this. We may all go to hell at this time. There is nothing you can do to protect yourself from these creatures. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. This is a whole globe emergency. All cable systems will receive this message. The creatures are all over the world. We are all doomed.
Welcome to hell. 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 Welcome to hell.
You all think you can just bully us with autism? No, you're all wrong. God hates you all. This is no longer your world. You will all be punished, killed, stabbed, shotted and executed, and tortured and be put in a room with no goddamn food, water, no exit, no iPads, no phones, no toilet, no computer, no clothes, no nothing. This is our world now. Ha 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 ha. Now to kill you pieces of crap.